Welcome back to Cars Jade, where we don't just review cars, we live and breathe them. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on one of the most iconic performance sedans of our time, the 2026 BMW M3. Buckle up, because this isn't just an update, it's a statement. There are few badges in the automotive world that command the kind of respect the M3 does. For decades, it's been the benchmark. Part track weapon, part daily cruiser, and 100% driver-focused. And now, BMW has dropped the curtain on the 2026 M3, and it's clear, they're not just playing catch-up in the performance arms race, they're leading it. Under the hood, the 2026 M3 still carries the soul of the S58 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-six. But don't let familiarity fool you. This time, it's been tweaked to produce 525 horsepower in the competition X-Drive variant, up from 503 horsepower in the outgoing model. Torque figures sit at a pavement-ripping 479 lb-ft, delivered with surgical precision through an 8-speed automatic and an all-wheel drive system that knows exactly when to get playful with rear bias. The 0 to 60 miles per hour sprint? A blistering 3.3 seconds, putting it toe-to-toe with cars you'd expect to see on supercar rosters. What makes this even more impressive is how the M3 remains composed, balanced, and utterly intuitive. It doesn't just launch, it communicates. Step inside and you're greeted by the latest iteration of BMW's iDrive 9 system, now presented on a curved dual-screen setup, a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, and a 14.9-inch infotainment touchscreen. The graphics are crisp, the responses are instant, and voice recognition is genuinely usable this time. More importantly, BMW hasn't sacrificed tactile feel for tech bling. Physical buttons still exist for essential controls, and the steering wheel-mounted M buttons return, allowing drivers to switch between their favorite performance presets with a single tap. The stance is more aggressive thanks to wider track widths and updated wheel designs, and BMW's signature M colors, Toronto Red, Isle of Man Green, and the new Frozen Portimao Blue, are all eye-catching in the best way. The 2026 BMW M3 starts around $76,000 for the base rear-wheel drive manual variant, with the competition X-Drive pushing closer to $85,000 with options. Is it expensive? Absolutely. But stack it against an Audi RS5 Sportback or Mercedes-AMG C63, and suddenly, it doesn't seem unreasonable. That's it for today's deep dive on the 2026 BMW M3. What do you think? Has BMW nailed it again, or are you eyeing something else in the high-performance sedan world? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, hit like if you enjoyed the ride, and don't forget to subscribe for more no-nonsense, enthusiast-driven car content, right here on Cars Jade.